Hi, welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use Excel's what-if analysis tools in a simple way. These tools let you change numbers and see what happens to your formulas, so you can answer questions like what happens to profit if costs rise, or what price you need to reach a profit goal. We'll walk through Goal Seek, Scenario Manager, and data tables with real examples you can follow on your own sheet. Let's start with Goal Seek. Use Goal Seek when you already know the result you want and need Excel to find one input that makes it happen. Imagine you sell a product and profit equals selling price minus cost times units sold. Say you sell 50 units, the cost per unit is 15, and you want the profit to be 1,000. Put 50 in units sold, 15 in cost per unit, and put 25 in selling price for now. In the profit cell, enter the formula selling price minus cost times units sold, and you'll see 500 with these numbers. To run Goal Seek, go to the Data tab. Choose What If Analysis, then Goal Seek. In the dialog, set cell as the one with profit, which is B4 in my example. Type 1,000 as the target value, and tell Excel to change the selling price cell, which is B3. Click OK, and Excel will find the price that works. In this example, it will change the selling price to 35, so the profit becomes 1,000. That's Goal Seek. One desired result, one input cell changed automatically. Next is Scenario Manager. This is useful when you want to save and switch between several groups of inputs, like worst case, best case, and base case. Picture a monthly budget where income is 5,000 and you have rent, food, and entertainment as expenses. Rent, food, and entertainment cells, sum them for total expenses, and subtract that from income to get monthly savings. Open Data, What If Analysis, and pick Scenario Manager. Click Add to create a scenario, name it Worst Case, and select the expense cells as the changing cells by clicking the Cell Range button. Enter higher values for rent, food, and entertainment. Then add another scenario called Best Case. Keep the changing cells the same and enter lower values. Click OK. Back in Scenario Manager, you can select any scenario and click Show to have Excel fill the chosen cells and update savings instantly. You can also click Summary to create a scenario summary report. Choose the results cell you want to compare, like monthly savings, and Excel makes a new sheet that lists each scenario's values and the resulting savings so you can compare them side by side. Now for data tables. Use data tables when you want to test many values at once and see all results in a compact grid. For a one-variable example, say you want to see how different interest rates affect the monthly loan payment. Put the loan amount, loan term in months, and an interest rate in cells. Then calculate the monthly payment with the PMT formula using the interest rate divided by 12. In a blank column, list the interest rates you want to test. One cell to the right of the top rate. Put a reference to the monthly payment cell. Select the whole block that contains the rates and the payment reference. Then go to Data, What If Analysis, Data Table. Leave the row input blank and set the column input to the interest rate cell, B3. Click OK and Excel fills the column with the monthly payments that match each rate. If you change any interest rate, monthly payments get updated too. A few quick tips to keep things clean. Keep your formula cells separate and clearly labeled so it's easy to point Goal Seek or a data table at the right cell. For Goal Seek, use only one changing cell. For Scenario Manager, only include the cells that actually change between scenarios and give your scenarios clear names. For data tables, make sure the formula reference is in the right corner of your table and your input list has no blank rows. Otherwise, Excel may not fill the results correctly. If you want to keep your original values, copy the sheet or save a backup before running scenarios or large data tables. That covers the basics of Goal Seek, Scenario Manager, and Data Table. Try these on your own sheet, and you'll get faster answers from your numbers. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Also, comment. What problem do you want me to solve in the next video? Take care and bye.